What if I told you your phone's lock screen is more valuable than you think? Here's something wild. Companies will actually pay you just for unlocking your phone. Yep, people are making over $70 a month by doing nothing but swiping their lock screen. Unbelievable, right? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn your daily phone habit into effortless cash. No gimmicks, just a little known trick hiding in plain sight. Point 1. Screen lock ads. How does it work? Screen lock ads are the simplest way to earn money with your phone. It's simple. When you unlock your screen, an ad or sponsored content pops up, swipe up to dismiss it, and voila, you just earned a few cents. The ads are non-intrusive. They usually just pop up on your lock screen, not interfering with your phone's regular functions. That's it. You're not selling anything. You're not filling out long forms. All you have to do is swipe up to see an ad, and then boom, you earn calmly. You can customize the type of ads you see. So if you're into fitness, you might get health-related ads. If you love gaming, expect to see more ads for new games. The more you engage, the more you can earn. It's almost like the app rewards you for paying attention. Point 2. Can you actually make money doing this? If you believe the answer is yes, then join me. Let's talk numbers. Do you know most screen lock ad apps pay between 2 cents, 10 cents per unlock? Though the consistent use is where the magic happens. Picture this. You unlock your phone 20 times a day, and every time you swipe up, you earn a few cents. It doesn't sound like a lot, but over time, it adds up. It's like turning every swipe into a penny. Imagine 20 times daily equals 0.40 a day. That's about $12 a month or $144 a year, just for unlocking your phone. Every swipe equals cash. It's not life-changing, but it's the easiest money you'll ever make. Some apps throw in bonuses if you keep them active or unlock your phone at specific times of the day. So if you're an early bird or a night owl, you could be in for extra payouts. Keep your apps active and engage with them when they nudge you. Every little bit counts. Point 3. Finding the right apps. Which ones are worth it? Okay, so there are tons of apps out there promising you money for unlocking your phone. But how do you know which ones are worth your time? Let's take a look at some of the top apps in this game. SlideJoy pays users between $5 to $10 a month. If you're consistent, that could add up to $60 to $120 a year, just for unlocking your phone. Not bad, right? The app displays ads on your lock screen, and all you have to do is swipe to unlock your phone and can cash out via PayPal once you hit $5. Lock It. Lock It rewards you with points for viewing ads on your lock screen, and you can exchange those points for the cash or gift cards. Fronto. Similar to the others, Fronto pays you in gift cards or cash for unlocking your phone. So if you're an online shopper, you can rack up points for your favorite stores. Not all apps are created equal. Pick the right ones and watch those earnings grow. Always check the app ratings before downloading. If an app has a ton of negative reviews or seems too good to be true, it probably is. Stick with apps that have solid ratings and positive feedback from real users. It's your money on the line after all. Point 4. Maximizing your earnings. Now that you've got your app set up, how do you make the most of them? There are a few tricks to boost your earnings without putting in extra effort. One way to maximize your earnings is by using multiple apps. Don't just settle for one. Run 2 or 3 apps that pay for unlocking your phone. Also participate in extra surveys or tasks offered by the apps. Some apps let you answer simple questions or watch longer ads in exchange for more points. Those points can be converted into cash or gift cards. Keep an eye out for special offers and be sure to participate to maximize your rewards. By using multiple apps and engaging with bonus tasks, you could easily make $10 to $15 per month, or up to $180 annually. Is it worth it? The pros and cons of earning from your phone. By now, you're probably wondering, does all this effort really add up? Is it worth it? Here's the breakdown. Pros. It's passive. You don't have to do anything extra except unlock your phone. It's easy. No special skills or training needed. You're already doing it. It's flexible. You decide when and how much you want to engage. Cons. It's not a big moneymaker. Don't expect to pay your rent with this. Some ads can be annoying or irrelevant. It might take a while to hit the payout threshold, usually $5 to $10 depending on the app. So there you have it. Unlocking your phone is a quick and easy way to make some extra cash. It might not make you rich, but every swipe could add up to something extra in your pocket. Whether it's a couple of bucks a month or a few extra coffee dates, it's a fun way to make money without lifting a finger. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on making passive income in the simplest ways, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for more awesome content. Keep unlocking those earnings, and I'll catch you in the next one.